A very good morning to you. This is the breaking news update on Vuma FM with Amanda Zondi. The top story at this hour: businessman and philanthropist Vivian Reddy has pledged 100 million rands towards social development initiatives across KwaZulu-Natal, continuing his long-standing commitment to community upliftment and inclusive development in the province. The KwaZulu-Natal Department of COGTA says it is still assessing the scale of the damage following heavy rains that claimed 32 lives in December. The department also confirms that 2 people are still missing as counts the cost of the recent natural disasters. This includes incidents of lightning strike in Eshowe. A long-standing partnership between Good Shepherd School and St. Andrews College continues to shape opportunities for learners through sport, academic support, and shared history. Today, the relationship is most visible in weekly exchanges between schools. Tourism stakeholders in Makanda says the industry is growing despite persistent challenges, including crime, deteriorating infrastructure, and limited municipal investment. They were speaking at the Makana Tourism Annual General Meeting held at the Graham's Hotel on the 24th of February. Hospitality consultant Tumelo Tladi said issues such as informal car guides and vagrancy contribute to unease. Authorities has confirmed a major incident that occurred earlier today. The event took place in the downtown area, near Main Street. At this time, officials are still investigating the cause, but sources say several people have been injured in the incident. In conclusion, MTN Group has increased its annual dividend by 45% after a sharp rebound in earnings and cash generation by strong growth in Nigeria, Ghana, and rising demand for data